pretty good bandwidth. Yeah, so you changed subs and it had a higher FS, you said. So did that affect your SPL score as well, or did you test it at all? It's pretty cool.
I was doing a 55 on music.
Yeah.
So that's about all we've done so far.
I like it, man.
Got some rebuilding because the box is leaking from everywhere.
Oh, it is?
Oh, yeah, man.
I appreciate it, man. What's your name?
Chris.
Chris. Thank you, Chris. Is the battery back in the back?
Yeah, it's on the side.
Okay, can I see it? Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. I do a lot of YouTube videos. Wow. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, I like this. That's a pretty good idea. Seals it off. Wow, that's a big 135. Nice. Yeah. Your voltage was good. Like, it held good.
You didn't have the amp all the way turned up.
Oh, you didn't? Oh, yeah. Are you wired down, or what is it?
One of them.
One of them? Okay. Awesome. So could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here, man?
My name's Chris Johnson, and I got 4 STU 15s on 8K, 20K.
Nice. You have, what's your electrical upgrade side?
2 270 alternator, CS alternators, and then 135 amp hours for the mix.
Okay. Awesome. Is this a 4th or a 6th order?
4th.
4th.
1.5 to 1 ratio, 4th order. Okay.
Did you build it?
Yeah.
Looks good. I like it.
It's got a steel loading wall behind it.
Really? Wow. Okay.
Yeah, it's all steel through here.
Yes, sir. Nice. So you like fab welded it in?
Yeah.
Wow.
The box is wood, but next year it'll be steel.
Do you know your tuning on it yet?
Right now, with these, I was at 29. It's got up to about 31 to 32 right now. So I switched from ZZ5s to these. The FS is a lot higher on these.
Yes, sir.
Put these subs in 2 weeks ago.
This video is sponsored by NVX, and today I have a DSP 5-band parametric EQ digital signal processor with built-in Bluetooth. It has 2 channels in with 2 channels out, and an integrated audio tone generator, frequency sweep, and pink noise, plus a remote level control with a sophisticated equalization system and an advanced crossover limiter functions with a frequency response from 10 to 20,000 Hertz. And it has a filter from 12 to 48 decibel octaves. Check out links in the description to learn more. All right, yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. That sounds good. I like
she?
Yeah, that's
I like it.
Thank you for the demo, Chris.